Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sabahul khair habibi wa habibti sofut tasya. Sabahun nur, sabahul ful, sabahul ward. Kif halak? Alhamdulillah khair. Ahlan ya jamil wa jamila habibi wa habibti. Hana waktu tadris. Ayyamil an. Al-an yaumul khamis. Tarikh al-an. Al-an 21 Yanayir Al-Fani 21 Habibi wa Habibti, meet anymore with me Mualimah Tuti Wardani Bako SPD with biology subject. Habibi wa Habibti, are you ready? Naam, yallah bina nabadaun nasyat.
Our topic for today, heredity disorders of human. Our indicator of lesson is be able to mention and identify the heredity disorders of human. Our scientific word is heredity. Heredity, 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 heredity. The meaning is pewarisan sifat. Habibi wa Habibti, please open your science book page on Saba'a wa Khamsun lil Ghaits Situn 57 until 60. Habibi wa Habibti, the last we have studied about genetic material and Mendel law. Naam, Habibi wa Habibti, al-an we studied about heredity disorders. Toyib, Habibi wa Habibti, please look at the picture. Can you mention how many the number in the picture? Naam, the first 12 isnin ashar, the second 33 salasa wa salasun, the third 38 samania wa salasun, the fourth 51 wahid wa khamsun, number 5 69 tis'a wa situn, and the last 74 arba' wa arba'un. Is it right? Is there from you cannot mention, cannot look at how many the number of the picture? Now, Habibi wa Habibti, we will discuss about the disorders relate to this picture. The first, Habibi wa Habibti, color blind or buta warna. Colorblind is a disorder in someone who cannot determine several colors well. For example, between yellow and orange, between blue and green. And if the person is tested for colorblind like this, like just now, Habibi wa Habibti, then they will have difficulty seeing the number in the circle just now. Naam. The cause is a colorblind gene contained in the X chromosome or XCB. CB, it means colorblind. Yes, Habibi wa Habibti. Habibi wa Habibti, as we know and we have learned, in normal women, the sex chromosomes are XX. Female chromosomes are 23 pairs. 22 pairs are autosome or body cells, and one more pairs XX are gonosome or sex cell. If one of the X chromosome carries the XCBX colorblind gene, it is a female carrier. What is the carrier woman? Naam. From the outside, we look like a normal woman, but she carries the gene for colorblindness. So he doesn't suffer from colorblindness, but in his sex chromosomes are colorblind genes. If the two X chromosome carry the gene for colorblind, then a woman like this called colorblind. And how about males? In normal males, the sex chromosome is XY. When the X chromosome carries the colorblind gene, the chromosome is XCBY. Men or males who have chromosome like this are colorblind. Habibi wa Habibti has the example. A career mother is married to a colorblind man. What is the percentage chance of children being colorblind? The mother is a carrier, so the chromosome is XCBX. One of its X chromosome carry the gen of colorblind. His father is colorblind with XCBY chromosome. After that, we determine the gametes. Gametes from mother XCB and X, while gametes from father XCB and Y. To determine the children, we determine using the table. In the top row, we put XCB and X, and in the left column, put XCB and Y. Then, we will get XCB, which is a color-blind woman. XCBX is a female carrier. XCBY is a color-blind man. And XY is a man normal. So, the percentage of colorblind that we get is 2/4 times 100%. So the result is 50%. The second is hemophilia. Hemophilia is a disorder in the blood formation process which causes blood to be difficult to clot when an injury occurs. When injured, blood vessels under normal condition will be closed by fibrin threads, so the blood will stop coming out. The cells around the wound will divide so that the wound will close later. But in people who suffer from hemophilia, the process of closing the wound by fibrin threads is not perfect. Then the wound will remain open. This hemophilia disease is a hereditary disease carried by gens. Hemophilia gen is a gen found on the X chromosome or XH. Normal women will have a XX chromosome. When one of its chromosomes carries the gen for hemophilia, XHX, this woman looks normal, but she carries the XHX chromosome, so it is called a female carrier. Patients with hemophilia, if both X chromosomes contain the hemophilia XH gen, in normal males it carries the XY chromosome. When the X chromosome carries the hemophilia gen, the man will suffer from hemophilia. So, Habibi wa Habibti, there is no term male carrier. Naam. Example, a mother with hemophilia married a normal man. So, what is the answer, Habibi wa Habibti? Naam, the mother is a hemophilia patient with gens XH with gamete XH and XH. Normal male XY with the gametes X and Y. Then we cross, and all her daughters are carrier, and all of her sons are hemophilia. Next disorders, albino. Skin color is determined by the content of pigment melanin in the skin layer. Melanin pigment protects the skin from ultraviolet rays. The more melanin pigment, the darker the skin will be. The gens that carry the dark traits in skin A, B, and C big. On the other hand, A, B, and C small for the light colors. So albino is a disorder caused by the absence of a dye or melanin pigment. Next, gens carry the albino traits is A small. A big is normal, A big, A small is carrier, A small is albino sufferers. Albino sufferers are prone to skin cancer, skin blisters easily when exposed to sunlight, and visual problems. Diabetes mellitus is a chronic disease characterized by high levels of sugar or glucose in the blood. This condition is also often referred to as diabetes. The sugar in the blood should be absorbed by the body cells and then converted into energy. Insulin is a hormone whose job is to help the absorption of glucose in the body cell to be processed into energy. As polydactyl, The term polydactyl comes from Greek, namely polis, which mean many, and dactylos, which mean finger. These congenital disorders can run in families, so a child is at risk of polydactyl if the parents also have these disorders. Habibi wa Habibti, that's all our material for today. Next time we will meet anymore with another topic. Shukran for your attention, Habibi wa Habibti. Don't forget, read your book, study well at home, don't forget do your home project well. Ilaliko, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.